What's good, y'all? It's your boy Zay. I ain't that energetic right now, bro, because I done already did this intro like 3 to 4 times, bro. And I already recorded this whole video, but we had to do it again. So yeah, man, y'all see I'm in the crib, chilling. Look, let's just get right into it, bro. Appreciate you for watching. Let's get into it. You can see it. We got the Duckbill up there, man. We got it up there, bro. And I put the video in of where I was applying the 3M and all that and getting it installed. But bro, this right here has got to go, man. When I bought this, I originally thought they both satin pearl white, but I originally thought it was gonna be the same color. But this is cheetah wrap, and this is Vivid. See, cheetah wrap, I couldn't find it anywhere. The only ones I could find is the big rolls, when it's like $200, $300, bro. And I didn't want to buy that just to do these parts right here. So what I'm thinking is, man, since I got the top carbon fiber, I can do the trunk black, bro. Like, I can wrap this whole part right here black. What y'all think, man? I think it'd be fire. But yeah, bro, let's get back to it. As you can see, we got the Duckbill up there. I got it in a matte black color. It's not too dark though. I thought it was gonna be really dark when I first bought it, but it's real nice, bro. It kind of got like a little gloss to it. And I know, bro, y'all can see all the fingerprints and whatnot up there. We gotta clean that off. But yeah, man, the number one thing I think that, you know, surprised me, I thought it was gonna come up more, but I like how it is because it fits flush, almost flush with my taillights. You see how it is, how it sits? And then look at the back, bro. I like this the most. It sits so good up against the car, bro. Like, that is crazy. Cause my other wing, the one that came off or whatever, and then got taken, whatever. I just love how that look, bro. I will say, from the back, it don't look as good as my other wing. Like, it don't have the best profile from the back, cause it kind of blend in with the tail light since it's black too. But I think it'll look different when the car is on. But yeah, man, I like how it fit, bro. My last wing, when it set up here, it didn't fit all the way flush to the back. So it was kind of like up a little bit on the back, and this fits like perfectly, bro. So I love that, definitely love that. But yeah, man, this junk is so fire. Let me show y'all what it looked like with the daggone tail lights on. Say, from the front, you can't even tell that I got a wing up there. And you know, my last wing, you could tell, you kind of see like the size of it, and I kind of like that. But I like this wing, bro. It's low profile. Look at that. Terrible. But I like the wing, bro. It's just so low profile, bro. It's not too much, not too flashy. That's what I need it to, bro.